science fans, and welcome to SHE-ensya. Today, I give you an office tour! One of my more favorite items in the office is linked to me being a nerdy Pisay scholar. One of the things I would love to do is to join my organization AstroSoc and do stargazing in our soccer field. To facilitate this, my dad gave me a Leotax moongazer and it allowed me to look at the sky at a greater resolution. I still have it to this day. Though I do enjoy a variety of graphic novels, you can see from my book collection that I do have a favorite author. And guess who it is? Duh, it's Neil Gaiman. I've been addicted to him since high school as well, and I've managed to get as much of his published books as I can. Of course, recently I've been excited for the release of his most recent work, which is a graphic novel version of his American Gods novel. I've also taken quite a fancy to the Doctor Who series, particularly the 11th and 12th Doctors. I've built up quite a collection, but as you can see, there's something missing. The 11th Doctor himself. I can't seem to find one though. Yu Yu Hakusho is an essential part of my childhood, and when Funko Pop released the limited edition figures for their 25th year anniversary, I just had to grab my own copy. Yu Yu Hakusho is one of the reasons that I love anime, and I'm really looking forward to the time that I get to go to Tokyo with my husband and see all the sights and do anime tripping. Apart from Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones has also gained a place in my heart. And though I've been sorted into House Targaryen, well, I guess TV can really mess things up sometimes. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to see more content like this, please send me, your Resident Filipina Scientist, a message in the comments section below. See you around!